This video will be a quick tutorial on adding a linear construction unit in OpenPoint Web. To start this, first navigate over to the construction units Implant and click on the orange circle with the plus button on the bottom of the screen. This will open a new window where we will enter the details for our construction unit. The first field we will need to fill out is unit code. I have one here to enter. And there we go. Notice how when I fill that out, several other fields are automatically filled out as well. These fields can be changed if they don't fit what you need as well. Now, we can go ahead and change the count if needed. Like, say I need to show 3-phase scenarios. I can go ahead and type 3 or use the button to pop it up to 3. Then we can go ahead and set a CPR year. If we don't know or don't have the year, or doing a test like this, we can go ahead and just enter 9999. We can do similar for CPR district as well. We can use the drop down to select a district, or just select the first one on the list and go with the default and have it auto-populate in the future. Now, since we are dealing with a linear unit, we'll also need to fill out the length. This length should match the length of the wire that it's attached to. If you don't know the length, we can go ahead and enter 1 and have it be automatically updated later. And then linear sag can be changed if it is something other than the default, which the default is generally the most common, so we'll keep the default for this one. Some linear units also have extra length, which exists if we have any additional material that must be accounted for and still kept track of, such as an extra coil of wire. Then we can enter a description and to station if applicable, and we can go ahead and click Save. There we go. As we can see, it's now on our list of features. Easy to create.